Hi, hello. Welcome to MBA Solutions. I am Manjunath, working as an assistant professor at BBC Mysuru. In this video, let us discuss how to calculate mean for scale data in SPSS. This is the data set through which we are going to check how to calculate mean for the scale data. So before going into how to calculate mean for the scale data, let us understand why we have to calculate mean for the scale data. If you see this data properly, we have two variables. That is, one is work-life balance, that is indicated via WLB, and one more is employee morale, which is indicated by EM. And these two variables have 15 questions each, and they have around 5 factors each. And each factor has 3 questions. So now we have to take the average or mean of these factors or variables so that we can proceed further for correlation or regression. Hence, we are going to take mean individually for each factor or for variables. So now let us see how to take or how to calculate mean in SPSS. So first, this is the variable view and this is the data view. And we have to check whether all the data has been entered in both data view and as well as variable view. Then go to transform. In that, first one is compute variable. Go to compute variable. And here you have to name the target variable. So when you are giving or when you are taking mean, it will create one more cell in SPSS, one more column in SPSS. So for that, we have to give some name. So that is your target variable. So here first, let us see how to calculate mean for two variables, that is work-life balance and employee morale. So the first thing what we have to do is we have to give a name. So let me give work-life balance WLB underscore mean, so that it will give me an indication whenever I see this in the SPSS column or row, I'll come to know that this is the mean of all 15 questions under work-life balance. Now after this, go to numeric expression, this box, and there you have to first type mean, MEAN. Don't give any space in between, comma, open the brackets. You should not put any other operations. After mean, you have to open the brackets. Then there are 15 questions. You have to check all the 15 questions and you have to double click on each question. For example, first question is this one. So I'll double click. Then I'll press comma. You should not give any space. Second question, comma. Like that, you have to give for every question. Third question, comma. Fourth question, comma. Fifth question, comma. Sixth, comma. Seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, close the bracket. So I have selected all 15 questions for which I have to identify the mean together. So now I'll not make any changes in any of the options. I'll just press OK. Now you'll get the output window of SPSS and it is computing the mean of all this. It has been executed. Now how to check whether it has been executed or not? Go to data set and see at the end you have got WLB mean, and all these values and alignment missing columns, that you don't have to worry about anything. WLB mean, and check the data view here. In the data view, you will get separate column which is talking about mean of each and every question which is related to that particular variable. Okay. So likewise, you can do it for, go to transform, compute variable. You can do it for other variable also, that is your employee morale. That also you can do. Now for that, I will change the name, that is employee morale EM mean, and in mean I start clicking on these particular questions, like question number 16, comma, like that. I can do, or I will do it for all 15 questions. Now let us see how it will take. So there are 15 questions under employee morale and different factors. So there are 5 factors. So we are calculating mean for all the 2 variables. So question number 25, question number 26, question number 27, 28, question number 29 and 30. Close the bracket. This you will not take because this is a mean of work-life balance. Now press OK. It has been executed. Go to dataset and see employee morale mean you have got. Why this mean is required? Because if I want to do correlation or regression, I can use this mean to identify whether correlation and regression is up to the mark, or we can do a lot of analysis using this mean. And you can identify mean for each and every factor. For example, I want to check, there are 3 questions under job satisfaction which belongs to work-life balance. So I want to check mean for job satisfaction under work-life balance. So I'll give a code WLB underscore job satisfaction mean. So again, I will click on these 3 questions. Question number 1, comma, question number 2, question number 2, comma, question number 3. And I'll press OK. So it will be executed, and in your data you can see WLB JS mean. So like this, you can do it for each and every individual factors, and later you can implement correlation or regression for this mean that you have calculated. Thank you for watching the video.